वेलकम टू अवर चैनल ITI MCQ गुरु। आज हम लास्ट ईयर CBT एग्जाम में पूछे गए क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन करेंगे जो आपको इस CBT एग्जाम में हेल्पफुल होगी। ये लास्ट ईयर के अपीयर हुए ITI स्टूडेंट की मार्कशीट है जो एग्जाम 17 फरवरी 2021 में हुई थी, जिसमें ट्रेड थियरी के 40 क्वेश्चन और वर्कशॉप कैलकुलेशन साइंस के 20 क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं। अब हम उसका सॉल्यूशन करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 1. Which instrument is used to check the phase out of the flywheel? The right answer is A. Dial indicator. Question 2. What is the type of clutch? Right answer is D. Cone clutch. Question 3. What is the permitted deflection angle of tripod joint? Right answer is C. 26 degree. Question 4. What is the battery system used for heavy vehicle? Right answer is C. 24 volts. Question 5. What is the name of part marked as X in the double joint? Right answer is B. Shaft wheel end. Question 6. Which type of drive line used in high gear and high speed applications? Right answer is C. All-wheel drive line. Question 7. Which type of ECU is the combination of ECM and TCM in the vehicle? Right answer is A. PCM. Question 8. What is the name of angle influence the wheel alignment? Right answer is C. Caster angle. Question 9. What is the range of steering ratio available in general? Right answer is C. 11:1 to 24:1. Question 10. What is the name of distance between most protecting portion on both sides of tire? Right answer is C. Tire width. Question 11. How the tire is specified? Right answer is A. Shoulder, width, bead circle dia, ply rating. Question 12. Which part of tire refer as crown? Right answer is D. Tread radius. Question 13. Which type of suspension spring cannot transfer wheel guidance forces? Right answer is A. Helical spring. Question 14. Which principle is applicable for hydraulic brakes? Right answer is A. Pascal law. Question 15. Which material is used for brake rotors and brake pads for aircraft and racing cars? Right answer is B. Carbon fiber reinforced carbon composite. Question 16. Which device permits air to the air brake system? Right answer is D. Brake valve. Question 17. What is the material constituent is of semi-metallic brake lining? Right answer is C. Fine polystyrene wool. Question 18. Which device detects the driven wheel spin through sensor? Right answer is B. ECU. Question 19. What is the age limit prescribed to drive transport vehicles? Right answer is C. 20 years. Question 20. How to define a vehicle constructed to carry more than 6 passengers but not more than 12 passengers? Right answer is B. Maxi cab. Question 21. What is the validity for international driving license? Right answer is C. 1 year. Question 22. Which form is required to obtain temporary authorization of use of vehicle when the certificate of fitness expired? Right answer is A. Form CF sub. Question 23. What is the name of part marked as X in the spark plug? Right answer is C. Insulator. Question 14. How many spark plugs are ignite at the same time in the distributor-less ignition system? Right answer is A, 2. Question 25. What is the type of sensor? Right answer is C, crankshaft position sensor. Question 26. Which law states that the induction of electromotive force in any closed circuit is equal to the rate of change of magnetic flux? Right answer is D, Faraday's law. Question 27. What is the achieved Trott spark plug and gap design? Right answer is A, improved combustion sphere. Question 28. What is the name of alternator part? Right answer is A, drive and frame. Question 29. What is the material used to make diodes? Right answer is B, silicon. Question 30. Which types of DC starter motor generally used in automobiles? Right answer is A, series type. Question 31. Where the starter motor located? Right answer is B, rear side of engine. Question 32. What is the type of headlight? Right answer is B, halogen headlight. Question 33. What is the color of front indicator lamps? Right answer is B, white. Question 34. Where the red color indicator lamps are provided in the vehicle? Right answer is T, rear side. Question 35. What is the name of device? Right answer is D, expansion valve. Question number 36. What is the boiling point of refrigerant R134A? Right answer is C, 26.5 degrees Celsius. Question 37. What is the advantage of using servo motor in air conditioning system? Right answer is E, high speed operation possible. Question 38. What is the name of part marked as X in the Hone circuit? Right answer is B, solenoid switch. Question 39. What is the expansion of ICAT in the vehicle safety system? Right answer is B, intelligent computerized anti-thief system. Question 40. Why seatbelt and airbag system are necessary in the vehicle? Right answer is C, to protect the driver and passenger. Question 41. What is the law of friction? Right answer is A, friction force independent over the area and shape of contacting surface. Question 42. Which depends on the friction force? Right answer is B, contact surface. Question 43. What caused the efficiency of a machine by maintaining the lubrications? Right answer is A, increases. Question 44. What is weight of an object could be moved by a force of 30 kg if coefficient of friction is 0.0125? Right answer is D, 2400 kg. Question 45. Which state of equilibrium example is a cone resting on its tips? Right answer is C, unstable. Question 46. What is the name called biggest chord of the circle? Right answer is B, diameter. Question 47. What is the diameter of the circle if the circumference is 31.4 cm? Right answer is B, 10 cm. Question 48. What is the multiplication value of 5a square b into 8a raised 5 b cube? Right answer is A. 40 a raised 7 b raised 4. Question 49. What is the value of any number raised to the power of 0? Right answer is B. 1. Question 50. Which is expanded form of a cube minus b cube? Right answer is B. A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Question 51. Which is thermoplastic material? Right answer is D. Vinyl polymers. Question 52. Which is elastic material? Right answer is A. Nylon. Question 53. What is color of metal piece when heated to 25 degrees Celsius while doing the tempering process? Right answer is B. Brown. Question 54. What is the process of heat treatment? Right answer is A. The process of heating and cooling the change the structure and property. Question 56. What is denoted as? Right answer is B. Interest. Question 57. What is the interest earned if the principal is rupees 12,000 become to an amount of rupees 15,600? Right answer is B. Rupees 3,600. Question number 58. What is a handbook? Right answer is B. Types of reference work or other collection of instruction. Question 59. Which of the impurity in cast iron make it hard and brittle? Right answer is B. Sulfur. Question 60. What is the name of booklet the rate of various terms are indicated? Right answer is D. Price catalog. Thank you for watching our channel ITA MCQ Guru. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.